Alright, what's going on? Welcome back to the world's most boring vlog. Yeah.
You see the hat?
You got the shit?
Yeah.
Okay, Deb, we're going full board today. So we finally got permits for everything. We got electrical, MEP, architectural, building, inspectors, special, everything done. So they got the little baby concrete fucking buggy over here today. We don't got the big trucks this time, but that buggy's coming in so that we don't wreck any of the new floor, and they're gonna dump those buckets of concrete and finish these footings today. So
yeah, we're coming to you live and direct, baby. 4 days, always high energy. Yo, it's an exciting day. We're gonna get it, baby. Let's go.
We're turning everyone into influencers. They know how to do vlogs now. Let's go. So these guys are gonna be doing this. Once this gets done, these footings are one of the biggest things. We get these footings done, then Deb gets the wood here next week, yep. And they start framing Mez. So within a couple of weeks, we're gonna see Mez going up in here. The insulation guys are coming Monday, Tuesday. So all matte black insulation for the building. We got the gold braces already. So all the braces in the superstructure are gold. Bro, this place is coming together. Not long before we have like a real place. And we're still working in a place with no heat. So these boys are like, we gotta get a heat in this place. Hey boss, can we have some heat? I'm like, no. You gotta earn this shit. Layer on. I just put a hoodie on. I will roll this shit in a t-shirt. You gotta earn it. You want heat? Earn it.
Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
We buried a $100 bill in the ground last time, and everybody got pissed off and said, give that money to your guys, and you should put a metal coin in there, not money. So we're doing something. We mean it when we're blessing this building. Hey, Dev, kill that for a sec. So we got something this time. We're gonna do a little different. Oh, this baby heavy. They said put a metal coin in there. We got something a little better than a metal coin. And I got something for the boys. Last time, want to put a metal coin in here for the boys. We put this in. That's what's up. That's what we bless. And Dev, for the boys that gave me shit, they said, don't put that money in there. Give it to the boys. So here, give this to the boys. Yo, boys, gentlemen, this is for you guys. Please stop. That's the bonus. We blessed the building. You guys want to keep that?
So we blessed the building, man.
Hey! Alright. Let's bury that thing. Bury that thing. That's what's up. That's it. You want to bless a building? Look at, I can't even give it away. This is what happens when you got the right guys working on the right project. These are members of Brick.
All right, so we got the first truck all unloaded. Started from that side, moving this way. We're right here on the final footing. We're getting it all poured. Everything went good. Our special inspector, he did his cylinders. He's taking that back to the lab. But he checked all our slumps, all our pressure testing. It was all good. And now these guys are just about to finish up.
Make it last forever.